Hey there, let's learn how to make the best fluffy slime recipe for kids. How have I not made slime before? It is time. I'm going to start by making a warm water solution using a cup of warm water and borax, which is a laundry supply I have on hand all the time because I live on a farm and I use such things. This is actually an optional ingredient. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of borax, and it has in it a sodium borate, which helps with the way the slime is made. And then we're going to stir that up until well dissolved. So we're going to set that to the side and make our second mixture. The second solution is going to have a half a cup of water and, catch this, a whole cup of glue. And you can't see it right now, but part of this glue is glitter glue. So I'm going to get that into my bowl along with that water. So we're going to add 3 to 4 cups of shaving cream next. This is fun. Now you could probably just do this by guessing the amount, but I just am a home ec teacher. I have to measure things. Okay, I've got all the shaving cream in there, and I'm going to add some more blue food coloring because I put in some blue glitter glue, and I just thought that would make it a little more colorful. And if I had more glitter, I would add it at this time, but it's not something that you have to do. You can add other add-ins that you would like as well. I think this is going to be really pretty though. So I'm going to go ahead and add the half teaspoon of baking soda to this. And we're going to stir it and then add in our contact solution, our saline solution. Okay, so let's add in our saline solution, which is 2 tablespoons. And saline solution is a contact lens solution, and this needs to have in it boric acid and sodium borate. So check the label before you put it in to make sure that you have the right type of solution. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Now let's mix this in and see what it does. This is actually a chemical reaction that happens between the different ingredients, which is kind of cool. See, it's starting to react. Kind of pulls away from the sides of the bowl, which is a good sign. Okay, now we're just going to add a little bit of our borax in, our borax solution, just a tablespoon at a time, and I don't think we need very much because look at that. That's pretty good. Add just a little bit of the borax solution. There, that kind of firmed it up even a little more. You see that? That is awesome. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to get my hands in this. So I'm going to put a little bit of the saline solutions on my hands, and I'm going to pick it up and knead it a little bit. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, it's a lot. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Still a little bit sticky. But push your sleeves up and have some fun. There are a lot of different types of slimes, and I'm going to try some of the other recipes as well. This could be hours of play for kids, and it would be great for tactile experimenting and play. Okay, got it out of the bowl, and the more I work with it, the more fluffy and cloud-like it's getting. It's so fluffy! Smash your hands in it. So this is how to make the best fluffy slime recipe for kids. For more great ideas, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.